Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm gonna talk about the if else statements. Okay, so let's start by creating some function. Okay, I'm gonna start by creating a variable. I'm gonna call it age, which be equal none. Okay, that's good. So what we're gonna do is to read someone's age and evaluate if they are a child, a teenage or adult, or a um, someone who is old. So to do that, I'm gonna read the age. I'm gonna assign age will be equal int. Let's use the int function. Let's use the input function to read someone's age. Let's type enter your age colon, and that's it. So I'm gonna start with let me see, 25. That's so if you look now, we're gonna see that age is equal to 25, but that's just the main point. Okay, so let's just write a function to evaluate if someone is older than 13. Okay, so if age is greater or equal 13, um, this person is a teenage. Okay, good. So we have this, and if we execute, we're gonna see that this person is a teenage because 25 we only have one statement. Okay, so to work in something like this, you need to have in mind how you're gonna do that. So, for instance, we have to kind of evaluate all the possibilities that are available. Okay, so let's just write a function. I'm gonna introduce now a function. Okay, so I'm gonna call def evaluate, and we're gonna pass age. Okay, so this is a function. What this function does is it prints someone's age. Okay, so the first statement will be the following. We're gonna see if age is greater or equals 0. Okay, 0. And if it is, and age. I'm gonna talk later about this end statement, but just for now, just keep in mind that we are writing two statements in the same if. Okay, so if age is let's see, smaller or equal 13, actually 12, print this person is a kid. So this is the first if. So we have this block of code, and we need to write another block of code which be eventually be the else. Okay, so this person is not a kid. So this is our function. Okay, I'm gonna talk more about functions in the next video, but just for the sake of this video, keep in mind that we could write our functions to customize some functionality. Okay, so we have this evaluate, and if you pass any number, for instance, I'm gonna pass minus 12, and this person is not a kid because we actually have a bug. Okay, so we do not have persons with people with a negative age, but I'm gonna correct that later. So if I pass evaluate 7, we're gonna see that this person's a kid. So let me just drag a little bit here. Okay, so if we evaluate 19, this person is not a kid. So uh, this works only for the range starting from 0 to 12. Okay, if I pass evaluate 12, we're gonna see this person is not a this person is a kid because the statement was achieved. Okay, the conditions were achieved, were met. So if age is greater or equal 0 and age is less or equal 12, this person is a kid. And if not, in this case, the else statement, we're gonna put this person is not a kid. Okay, so that's the video, guys. I hope you like it. In the next video, I'm gonna talk more about conditionals, okay, and statements. Thanks for watching this video. See you guys next time.